Practice and review. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to review everything you've learned in Module 5. We'll practice using possessive adjectives, talk about different family members, and describe what they do using common occupations. This is your chance to put it all together and start forming real useful sentences in Spanish. So get ready to speak, repeat, and test yourself, because practice makes progress. Let's dive in. Try to say the following in Spanish. My mother is a doctor. Mi madre es doctora. Try to say the following in Spanish. My mom is a doctor. Mi mamá es doctora. Try to say the following in Spanish. Is your mother a doctor? ¿Tu madre es doctora? Try to say the following in Spanish. Yes, my mother is a doctor. Sí, mi madre es doctora. Try to say the following in Spanish. Your mother is a teacher? ¿Tu madre es maestra? Try to say the following in Spanish. No, my mother is not a teacher. My mother is a doctor. No, mi madre no es maestra. Mi madre es doctora. Try to say the following in Spanish. Is Julieta a teacher or a nurse? ¿Julieta es maestra o enfermera? Try to say the following in Spanish. Julieta is a teacher. Julieta es maestra. Try to say the following in Spanish. I am a Canadian tourist. Yo soy turista canadiense. Try to say the following in Spanish. Are you an American tourist? ¿Eres turista estadounidense? Try to say the following in Spanish. No, I'm not an American tourist. I am a tourist from Canada. No, no soy turista de Estados Unidos. Soy turista de Canadá. Try to say the following in Spanish. Are they tourists or students? ¿Ellos son turistas o estudiantes? Try to say the following in Spanish. They are not tourists, they are students. Ellos no son turistas, son estudiantes. Try to say the following in Spanish. I have a cousin. He is a teacher. Yo tengo un primo. Él es maestro. Try to say the following in Spanish. Is your cousin a fireman? ¿Tu primo es bombero? Try to say the following in Spanish. No, I'm a fireman. My cousin is a teacher. No, yo soy bombero. Mi primo es maestro. Try to say the following in Spanish. Miguel is our uncle. He is a policeman. Miguel es nuestro tío. Él es policía. Try to say the following in Spanish. She is Anna. Her sister Lorena is a vendor. Ella es Ana. Su hermana Lorena es vendedora. Well done! You've just completed the practice and review for lessons 15 to 17. In this session, you worked with family member vocabulary, common occupations, and possessive adjectives. Keep practicing these words and sentence structures so they become second nature. If you're feeling confident, you're ready to move on to the next module. And if you need a little more time, feel free to repeat the video as often as you like. Repetition is the key to fluency. Thanks for studying with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.